The Karnataka State Police Department has issued a notification inviting online applications for the direct recruitment of 3,395 Civil Police Constable posts across various district, city and unit establishments under its residual cadre. The announcement was made by Karnataka Home, Information Technology and E-Governance Minister Priyank Kharge. According to the minister, the recruitment process will include a competitive written examination conducted by the Karnataka Examinations Authority. The examination will be held in offline OMR mode and will serve as a key stage of the selection process. In the total of 3,395 vacancies, 2,266 posts have been reserved for male candidates, 755 for female candidates, 257 for in-service men, 82 for in-service women and 35 for transgender candidates. Candidates selected through the recruitment process will receive a salary in the pay scale of 37,500 rupees to 76,100 rupees. They will also be covered under the National Pension System. To be eligible for the posts, applicants must have passed PUC or possess an equivalent qualification recognized under government regulations. Accepted qualifications include CBSE, IAC, NIOS and a 3-year diploma. The minimum age required is 18 years, calculated based on the candidate's date of birth. The Karnataka government has granted a one-time relaxation of 5 years in the upper age limit. Under the revised criteria, the maximum age limit is 33 years for general merit candidates, 35 years for the SC, ST and backward class candidates and 38 years for tribal candidates. The online application process will begin on June 8, 2026 and candidates can submit their applications until July 3rd, 2026. Applications will be accepted through the official Karnataka Examinations Authority website. So viewers, you can find the application link in the description box below. For the additional information and technical assistance, candidates may contact the KEA Information Center at 080-234-60460. Updates related to the requirement process will also be available through KEA's official X account at KEA_Karnataka. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.